All the scripts in this video can be found over at robloxscripts.com, link in the description. Like this video and subscribe for more daily scripts.
What it do, everybody? It's your boy Roblox Scripts coming at you guys with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to downgrade your Roblox version so you can execute scripts again after the weekly Roblox update. So as you guys can see, I've got the latest version of Roblox which updated around 3 hours ago, and whenever I tried to attach, my executor gives me an error saying version mismatch, even though I am already on the live channel. It's telling me to switch to the live channel. So if you have a similar issue, if you have a similar error, or your executor is not working after the most recent update, continue watching this video because I'm going to teach you how to downgrade. So firstly, you want to click the link in the description below. It'll take you over to this post right here. Make sure to bookmark robloxscripts.com if you haven't already. It's honestly one of the best websites for guides, news, and scripts. So you don't want to miss this out, guys. Bookmark it. So we're going to start off with step 1. This has all the website links you need. So step 1, download Bloxstrap. So you guys probably already use Bloxstrap. If you already use it, then you can skip this step. But we're going to start off with step 1, download and install Bloxstrap. So we're going to open up the launcher. Remember, you can configure this to however you want. I prefer to have all of this stuff disabled. I don't care about the old deaf sound, and I don't care about activity tracking. So click install. It's going to take you to this page. Click install again. Wait for it to install Bloxstrap. And there we go. So Bloxstrap has now installed. We can move on to step 2. Download the old Roblox version, and this is where you guys are going to have to pay attention. So click on download old Roblox versions here. It's going to take you over to this website, and this is where you can download previous versions of Roblox. Now the easiest way to do this is to join the Roblox Scripts Discord server. So I highly recommend you guys join the Roblox Scripts Discord server. It appears to be lagged right now. There we go. So join this server, head over to the update tracker section, and right here you can see that Roblox updated yesterday at 8:51 p.m. So this is the current version of Roblox that I'm trying to run, this version right here on Windows. So this is the latest version. This number right here is the latest version. So to find the previous version, this makes it really easy because we can scroll up, we can see that this is not a live update, this is not a live update, this one is a live update, so this must be the previous version. So we're going to copy this number right here as it was the previous version. If you need help with this, join my Discord, I will assist you. So copy the previous version. My previous version at the time of recording is this number right here. So we're going to click download. It's now going to download the previous version of Roblox. Alright, cool. So let's drag this to our desktop and let's extract this. So now we can move on to step 3. So step 3, make sure you're on the live Roblox channel, which I already have checked at the start of the video. We are on the live channel. If you aren't on the live channel, then you will need to click where it says click here, and this will take you over to the guide which shows you how to get back onto the live channel. It's pretty much the exact same. You download Bloxstrap, but this time instead of copying the Roblox version, you copy these settings right here into your Bloxstrap. So that's for another video. We're just focusing on downgrading for now. So let's move on to step 4. Copy the downgraded Roblox into your Bloxstrap folder. So this is very simple, guys. You just want to head over to local app data %, and now you want to find the Bloxstrap folder. You want to head over to where it says versions, and then you want to go into here. And now all you want to do is, let me just open a new window. Right, so now all you guys want to do is you want to copy the version that we just downloaded. So this is the old version of Roblox. This is last week's version. We're going to copy this into the current version right now. So let's copy this. It's probably going to ask to replace. So if it says to replace any items, just select yes. So it says it's asking me to replace. So you want to click replace. Alright, so we now have downgraded Roblox. It's literally that easy, guys. People like to overcomplicate this process, but it's very, very easy. And now to prove it, I'm going to launch into Roblox on the downgraded version. Alright, the game's loaded. I've spawned in. I'm about to open up Electron. Let's open it up. Let's see if it works. And here we go, guys. You can see that I've clearly managed to attach. So we've successfully downgraded, and to prove this, I'm about to execute a script right now. So let me just copy this little final script that I've got, and let's see if this works. This script was a script that I got from robloxscripts.com, and here we go. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's this easy. It's that easy to downgrade, and yeah. So there's a few things I just want to mention before we end the video. This downgrade method will not last for too long. Roblox will cut the connection at some point after they've released a new update, so you won't be able to do this every single day, you know, until Roblox releases the next update. It just doesn't work like that. So you will be able to do this for a few hours, maybe 24 hours if you're lucky. But for those of you that are really desperate to keep executing scripts, this video guide was for you. Remember, there is a significant risk in downgrading. It makes it very easy for Roblox to, you know, ban you if they wanted to, because why else are you going to need to downgrade other than to execute scripts? So downgrading can be very risky. Proceed with caution when you're doing this. Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't downgrade on your main account, only downgrade on alt accounts. And that's about it. So make sure you stay safe. Use robloxscripts.com for your scripts, as I literally manually post scripts to that website myself, so you can know that they are safe and have been reviewed by me. That's about it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.